I want to show you how to play Amigos para Siempre. That's sung by Sarah Brightman and Jose Carreras. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start off with the bass. We're in the key of F, and we start off with an F, F, C, C, F, 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 C, C. So do two Fs on those opening things. And then we just keep that going with F, F, C, C, F, F, C, C. Then we go to a G, G, D, D, G, G, B flat, F, F, C, C, F, 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 C, C. So the only time I play that double F is when I have nothing going on in the right hand melody. Now here's the right hand melody. A, G, A, B flat, C, A, G, F, A. G, A, B flat, C, A, G, F, G, 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 A, D, G, 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 A, D flat, D flat, D flat, three of them, C, A. And then for the male melody, you drop down an octave, A, G, A, B flat, C, A, G, F, A, G, A, B flat, C, A, G, F, G, 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 A, D, G, 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 A, D flat, D flat, D flat, three of them there, C, A. And then for the chorus, we're going to play the duet just like they do with thirds, D and F. And you've got dot, dot, da, da, dot, dot, dot. The first time you've got those triplets to go Amigos para Siempre. Amigos para Siempre. So you got it, para Siempre. So we're going to go D and F, C and E, B flat and D, A and C, G and B flat and D. Then we go to an A and C, G and B flat, F and A, E and G, F and A, so it'll be. And then we end it with D and F, or B flat and D. Going down, A and C, G and B flat, F and A, E and G, G and B flat, and then unison, G, 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 A, G, F, and then we do it again. Only this time without those triplets, because you're painting the words and they don't have those in there. The second verse and the second chorus are just the same. Now all we got to do then is put the, and for a percussion you don't have to have percussion, but what I used was a mellow percussion, either a 16 beat or an 8 beat shuffle. There is where you're gonna, when you change to the G in the melody, you're gonna change to the G in the bass. So all we've got is an F chord to a G minor, and then to a B flat, minor, or a B flat diminished, right there. Whatever we've got going on there, because it comes down to that. Then it goes to a D flat right there. So we've got a B flat major. To the minor and back to the F. So that's the only chords that we have there at the beginning, and all we're going to do is play open fifths. When you do set your percussion, set it to a 120. 120 will set just fine. Show you. What I do there, I play the first two majors, da 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 dee, da 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 da. Then when we come into the melody, I just go bum, ba dee dee, bum. I just take one of those F's out of there to make it not so busy, so it'll sound like. that, I'd play the first one, and then that one by itself. Then I played the two Fs. Then we come in with the male part. Now here it's unique because I can't go down to the D. I can't play the D there, so I just hold the G. Now when I go to the D, flat, I can actually go to a B flat right there and make it like a diminished seventh. So I don't know if that's the sonority that's in there, but it sounds good. So you got. And I do the same thing, and then we're into the chorus. Now for the chorus, we're going to have the B flat, F, then F, C, D, 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 A. We go to a D minor there. So we got a B flat chord, F chord, and then to a D minor chord. Let me play it up here so you can hear it. Only there, instead of staying the F, we go to the D minor chord, then G minor, then G minor, and C, back to F. It's actually a C7 because you've got the G, the C, E, G, B flat. You've got the B flat in the right hand. Now let me go through that slowly so that you can see how the chorus goes together. You got to remember to get those three in there. If you have trouble with any of that, you can just slow it down. The chorus, it isn't going to hurt to slow it down. So you can come out of that. Pick the tempo right back up. So with the chorus there, just take your time on it, and once you get it down, it'll start to fall in. The second verse is just the same as the first verse. modulation, we modulate into A flat, which is the key that they play that instrumental interlude in. And what we're going to do is use that common tone C, and we're going to come in with the melody on this C. And all we do is add the harmony in A flat right there. We take that C and start off with the melody right there. So we end up F, 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 C, C, F, 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 C, and then we're notes. We got C, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, C, B flat, A flat, C, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, C, B flat, A flat. So all those keys are black except for the C. And then we've got B flat, E, F, and then B flat, E. So the only white notes we're going to play is a C and an F and an E. And then he comes in and sings the same thing. Now what I've done there with the percussion is I have the percussion going, but once you get to the chorus that last time through, they kind of freeform the rhythm there. They slow it way down with a little rubato. So you're gonna want to, as soon as you get there, you want to cut off the percussion. So let me play that part with the modulation and the percussion. But let's first get the bass. A flat, A flat, E flat. B flat, F, E, A flat. And then we do it again. So we start right there on that, coming out of that F into the A flat. Play the F's and then the E unison together. So I'm going to play the F in the right hand, the left hand, and in the E in the right hand, the left hand for that instrumental interlude. Then we play the melody right here. He's singing it. This time, I let the F carry with the right hand, and then I'm going to add a D flat to that E to the E in the left hand. And this is where I hit the drums on. So now, and then you have a final tag chorus where they come in and they slow it way down. Tag is B flat, D flat, B flat, D flat, F, F, A flat chord, but I'm going to put the A flat in the center and we'll have E flat, A flat, C. And the trick is that to hit the F and then hit that pretty hard, hit that chord pretty hard. So in the left hand we're just going to have a D flat chord and E flat chord. And then I'm going to play an A flat chord, same as I've got up here. Hold the vocals through and then lift off it and play it again with the A flat, E flat, A flat. So it'll sound like this. together, that's... hit it and hold it and let the chord ring. So there you have it, Amigos para Siempre, as sung by Sarah Brightman and Jose Carreras. Hope you enjoy playing it.